everyone, what's up? My name's Alex and I'm back with another video, and today we'll be doing something a bit different, and we'll be opening packs at Hearthstone. Yes, I know that doesn't sound very, interesting and something, but today we'll be opening 10 packs. Some of you may like this video, some of you may not like it, but I've decided to make it so here. Let's start with the normal ones first. Shall we? So, I'm happy from the cards. I mean, I got my inner fire, changes a minion attack to be equal to its health. Most of you know this card. I'm pretty sure that all of you are gonna know these cards. I'm not very... I mean, I don't know a lot of cards, so yeah, if I start reading them or something, it's because I don't know the cards. Some of them. Still 4 health to all minions. Whoa, this is nice. Again, for a priest. Well, I never play priest, so yeah. Divine Shield, not bad. And yeah, let's keep on rolling. Next pack. Only rares for now. Kinda boring. At the start of your turn, swap this minion with a random one in your hand. What? That sounds interesting for some cool plays. Okay. Keep on moving. Again with another rare. Yes, I got this already. I have it a few times. 1 damage to a minion and give it +2 attack. Inner Rage. Not bad. Inner Rage. A lot of things with inner, as it seems. Ooh, a Frost Elemental. This is good for Jane to build a elemental deck. Elemental. Cool, man! The fucking chicken has well damaged. Well, okay. Why did I need a chicken? And another in a fire. Now I have 3 or 4 of these. After this enhance. Wait, can you have 3 or 4? I mean, you can only use 2 in a second. I think you can have... Eye for an eye. Secret. When your hero takes damage, deal that much damage to the enemy hero. Oh, this is cool. I like it. Okay, I'm happy with the drop so far. Legendary! Oh! Baron, get on! That's nice. At the end of your turn, deal 2 damage to all the characters. Yes, I wanted that. This is gonna be good. Yes, I'm happy about this one. Less than 1, I know this one. Nothing too interesting here. Okay, except the Baron. Let's open one of these. Add a random 2-cost minion to each player's hand. The Angle für Mystic. Karen Drake. Battle cry. If a minion died this turn, gain poisonous. That's nice. For the hunter. Okay. Legendary! Oh! Emeris. Battle cry. Double the attack and health of all minions in your hand. Whoa. This is super useful. Darn. That's a fucking win condition right over here. Your elements have +2 attack. That's not bad again. Another elemental. Freeze a minion. If it's already frozen, destroy it. That's good as well. For a mage, after a hero attacks, give this minion 1/1. Henchglantag creature. Dark possession. Due to damage to a friendly character, discover a demon. Okay. I don't like warlocks as well. Let's go. These will go back. Two epics? That's nice. Primordial glyph. Discover a spell, reduce its cost by 2. That's nice. Again, for the mage. Adapt to friendly minion. Okay, that's cool. Town battle cry, discover a town minion. Yep, I know that one. This one is weird lookish as fuck. Ultrasaurus. This thing has always looked real weird. I mean, why does it have such a long neck? What's wrong with the inner part of its neck? Does it have teeth there? Or something? Or is that just its fur? The splash out is strange? I never know. Dino size. Oh, damn it. My brain sometimes doesn't want to read a disaster. Set a minions attacking out to 10. That's nice. It's more Nah, I got one. Hey, I just had this guy. Nice. Now I have him golden. Why? Echo, battle curse, 2 health. That's not bad. This is kinda cool. I mean, you can use it and you can spam it as fuck. Summon dead red minion from your hand. That's good. Add 3 trends to your hands. That's not bad. Add 3 to 2 trends. Which would happen? Valbrut Skitter, Henchglantag again, Squash Link, and Coffin Crasher. Nice. I'm happy. Okay, let's go to the shop and buy another extra deck. If my shop wants to work. Well, nope. Good. Best value. No, I cannot afford this one. Latest expansion. Cohorts and Catacombs. The classic one. Journey to Ungoro. Or Knights of the Frozen Throne. I'm gonna go with Knights of the Frozen Throne just because I love Lich King. And yeah. So let's go with this one. And let's open it! And we can have one. Man! Not bad. Icebreaker, destroy any frozen minion damaged by this. Okay. Left to do 2 damage to a minion. Drain soul. I think I already knew this card. And oh, Forge of Souls. Draw 2 weapons from your deck. Nice. Yeah, that's not bad. Well, I think we end our pack opening here. I'll try and have 15 packs for next time. And yeah, with every pack opening video, I'm gonna add 5 packs on top of the last ones. So yeah, if you enjoy these ones, you can leave a like down below. And, you know, I'm gonna make more of them. Bye for now and see you in the next one.